Hi boys and girls, today we're going over 7-4, some of the word problems that we didn't get to do before break. Just a reminder, that is 7-4 that we're doing. Okay. Alright, our first word problem. The basketball court has sides that are 42 feet, 37 feet, 42 feet, and 37 feet, and 4 right angles. What is the distance around the court? So when you read this, remember a few things you need to do. You need to circle the things and underline the things that are important. I see the basketball court and 4 right angles. I'm going to draw a picture, and I suggest you draw pictures too for your homework. When I think of basketball court, I know that that's in a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 right angles. So it makes sense with the problem. Remember, these little pieces remind you that it's 4 right angles, so that even if it's not perfect, you know that it's supposed to be a right angle. Then it also has a couple other things. It has 42 feet, 42 feet, and 37 feet, 37 feet. Those are the sides of your basketball court. So one of these sides will be 42, another side will be 37. How do you decide that? I go with the longer side should be the bigger number. So that should be 42. Then the opposite side will be the same. Then I'm going to label my 37s. 37, 37. Now I have made my basketball court. Isn't it beautiful? Then it says, what is the distance around the court? That means that I have to find the distance of all of this together, every number. Okay, so to do that, I have to add the numbers together. I'm going to do 42 plus 37. I add my ones first. 2 plus 7 equals 9. Then I add my tens. 4 plus 3 equals 7. My answer is 79. I've only added 2 of these numbers. I have done this 42 and this 37. I still have another 42 and another 37 to add. Now remember, there's 2 different ways you can do this. I can just continue and then add 42, or the strategy I'm going to do is I'm going to do 42 plus 37 again. Then I'll have these 2. I did this 42, this 37. I start with my ones. Wait, I don't have to start with my ones this time. I already added it up here. I can just write the answer. 79. So much quicker. Then over here, I have to add these last 2 numbers. I'm not done. I have 2 answers. I need to make it 1 answer. I have these 2 together to make 79. And these 2 together make 79. Now I have to add it together. I'm going to put it over here. 79 plus 79. Now again, start with your ones. I know my doubles. 9 plus 9 is 18. Carry that 1. I know my doubles again. 7 plus 7 is 14. Plus 1 more is 15. Now, I'm forgetting something. I need my label. So I have 158 what? Feet. It shows you feet right there. So I'm going to type in feet. Now it's kind of hidden. There you go. 158 feet. Now this is just one kind of problem. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers for 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Let's check out a different kind of problem. The fence around the picnic area has sides with lengths of 33 yards, 56 yards, and 61 yards. What is the total length of the fence? Notice in this one I have 1, 2, 3 numbers. That means 1, 2, 3 sides. What shape has 3 sides? Underline that, sides. That's correct, a triangle. As I draw my triangle, I'm going to start with my small length, 33. So I'm going to draw a small one of 33. Then I'm going to draw a medium one, 56. Then I'm going to connect it to make 61. So I have 33, 56, 61. This is my fence. Of course you can have a triangle yard or picnic area. It does not have to be a square or rectangle. So this one, what is the total length of the fence? I have to add all these three up. For this one, I'm just going to line them up. All three of them. Plus 56 plus 33. Because I can add three numbers at a time. So 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7 plus 3. I know my tens. Carry that 1. Start up here again. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So there's my answer, 150 yards. 150 yards. Last type of problem that you might see on your homework. Over here, this one only has one number in it at a glance. So let's read it and find out how am I going to use this one number. A playground game is outlined in chalk. Each of the four sides. So I know it's not going to be a triangle, it's not going to be a pentagon, it will be a quadrilateral. Each of the four sides is 48 inches long, and there are 4 right angles. What is the total length of the outline? So if I draw this line, and that side is how long? 48 inches. Now I draw another one. This one is the same, 48 inches. Draw another one and another one. They're each 48 inches because that's what it says. Each of the four sides is 48 inches. Now I have to add these up. I'm going to do it a different way this time. I'm going to do 48 plus 48, just like normal, add two numbers. 8 plus 8 equals 16. 1 plus 4, or I can do doubles. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 more is 9, 96. Now you can either add the other 48, these two, and then add that with your 96, or you can do this other strategy. I'm just going to add 48 next. So I'm going to say plus 48. Add it together. 6 plus 8 equals 14. Carry my 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 4 is 14 again. I'm still not done. I have one last 48 to add. Plus 48. Ooh, that's 8. It's kind of big. I'm going to make it a little smaller. Plus 48. So I do check. Got it. 4 plus 8 equals 12. 1 plus 4 is 5. Or I can do doubles. 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. Then I just drop this one down. Drop. And I get 192. And 192 what? 192 inches. I'm going to type that one in so it's a bit longer. Inches. Yeah, I just want to do a quick reminder. There is another way that you could have done this. Instead of adding all of these up, don't want to make it bigger. Goodness gracious. I made this more complicated. There we go. Instead of adding all of these up in one big line, you could have stopped at the 96 right here, done your 96, then realize that if you did 48 plus 48, you'd get another 96 to add. And then that cuts the adding that you did. So watch out for these strategies and which one makes the most sense to you. If this doesn't make sense, don't do it. Do the one that makes sense to you. If you have any questions, message me on Seesaw. All right, good luck on your homework for 7-4.